Commercial airline pilots are legally required to have their valid pilot license or certificate in their physical possession or readily accessible inside the flight deck whenever operating an aircraft.
During unannounced ramp inspections by safety authorities, pilots must present their credentials immediately. Operating without them on board can result in fines or immediate grounding.
When a pilot presents their valid pilot certificate, medical certificate, and photo ID upon request, the inspector signs off on the ramp check as compliant, and the flight proceeds without disruption.
If someone who is not a licensed pilot is found possessing a fake pilot certificate, forged crew ID, or stolen credentials, law enforcement, airport security, or federal authorities will detain the individual on the spot. Posing as a crew member or forging federal aviation credentials is a serious criminal offense. Depending on the jurisdiction, charges include wire, mail fraud, identity theft, and breach of airport security protocols, carrying penalties of up to 20 years in prison and substantial fines.
Thanks for revisiting the King's Academy channel. See you again soon for a similar video.